What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we have a 2012 Kia Sorento, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing. This is what we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and get started. So first thing you want to do is come down here to the shifter knob, and you want to pull it up. It will not be that easy. I've already lifted it up. As you can see, there are two ridges right here. So this is not a twist. This is not one of those pull this piece down and pull out the pin. You just literally use some pressure and you pick that part up. Next, you want to come over here. This whole thing is just with the clips. So you do want to put the key in and try to put this thing down here in the lowest position. These little tabs right here are stuck in that, so you just got to make sure that this is in the lowest position all the way down here and take it off. I needed two hands. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to come down here, and you will notice on the bottom of this little cigarette lighter port there is going to be a little notch that you can stick something in on this side and on this side. We want to put something in there and just kind of pry forward, use some pressure going forward, because this part right here is held in by clips and it has to come out. Now I might have to put this back down. We're gonna see if I can do it with one hand, but I believe those clips are a little stubborn. There we go. I'm hearing something. Let me use two hands, guys. I don't want to. All right. So while I was pulling down right here, I had to stick my little pry tool on the bottom edge and come out here and get that clip. Now I should be able to get up the other one, no problem. There we go. Jesus Christ. All right, so we got that part done. Now on two Phillips, we have one Phillips head screw right here, one Phillips head screw right there. So we're gonna go ahead and take those out. Now that we have those out, we're going to be able to take off this silver trim. Now it is all one piece, so you kind of want to just start down here with that bracket, and then we want to work our way up, popping clips using very, very light pressure on both sides. There we go. Light pressure still. There we go. Just kind of put that to the side just like that. All right. So now all we have is the Phillips screw. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that's going to come out. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's going to take our radio out. Actually, the dash just kind of sits there on top of the dash out of my way, so I'm not going to worry about it, because all I need is room. So let's go ahead and take these Phillips out. All right, we're going to drop our AC. Now we just have the ones that's holding in the radio, two over here on these little silver tabs and two over there. Let's go ahead and take those out. Slide our radio out. There goes the dash. But we can go ahead and get back here to the back to our harnesses, take all those out. Give me just a second. All right, so that's how you take that factory radio out here. So now let's go ahead and get our dash kit prepped, get this thing wired up, and then sure, we'll see what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, guys, setting up the dash kit is pretty easy. I will have all the links to all these products in the description for you guys, but it just comes with 3 pieces. It comes with the dash kit and 2 pieces that goes to the side. This one goes right here, and you just want to kind of line that up and then stick it through the side like that. And then once we have that done, we literally just want to slide that over our double DIN unit. So now we have that slid into the double DIN unit like this. We just want to come over here to the side and then make sure that we use the screws that came with the deck, and we will be screwing those into the side. All right, so we got the radio in. This is the DDX 7706S, if I'm not mistaken. Got the 2 screws on the left, 2 screws on the right. Let's go ahead and get our radio wired up and get back in the car. All right, y'all, so we got this thing mounted up, Bluetooth ran, wired up, looking kind of clean. And if this is your first time here, I know what you're thinking, like, bro, you did not go over the wiring. Well, the reason I do that is because I have many, and I do mean like over 100 different radio removals and install videos, and I just didn't want to take the time to show you how to wire up the radio each and every video, because for the people who know how to wire up a radio, all you need is the removal. But for the people who don't know, I have made one video showing you how to wire up a CD player. What do the wires mean, going over different type of connections. That video is in the description as far as the link, and I have it linked over here in the cards. So the guys who don't know how to wire up their own radio, you do have a resource for that. So that's the reason I do that. Let's get this thing back in, mount it up, and let's see what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, y'all, that's it, man. That's what it looks like when it's all said and done, put back together. It looks like we never taken it off. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. And don't forget, all the links to all the products that I have, dash kit, wire harnesses, even the radio, will be in the links below. Check out all the other videos for how-to references. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out.